If we had to sum up a Jacob & Co. timepiece in just one word, it would be striking. Every timepiece from its atelier is an attention magnet. Unique and unapologetically audacious, the Epic X takes it up a notch, mixing the sensation of sports adrenaline with high watchmaking performance and throwing in new materials such as neurolithe. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this remarkable timepiece or any other creation from Jacob & Co., ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. For now, let's shift our focus and delve into the Jacob & Co.'s Epic X collection, a line that already boasts some of the most mesmerizing skeleton timepieces out there. Stay with us and discover how they can up the ante on an already bold model. As an authorized retailer of Jacob & Co., Les Ambassadeurs offers a large selection of their latest models, including this Epic X timepiece. Explore these timepieces at one of our boutiques in Geneva at Rue du Rhône, in Zurich Bahnhofstrasse, one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz, or visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. For more than 25 years, Jacob & Co. has created revolutionary timepieces and exquisite jewelry that have delighted private clients, intrigued notables from the watchmaking world, and captivated celebrities, becoming a recognized and respected global luxury brand. The skills acquired over centuries in jewelry and watchmaking have led to some mechanically complex and visually spectacular timepieces such as the Astronomia and the Twin Turbo. These timepieces, as remarkable and stunning as they were usually not considered as everyday timepieces due to the very exquisite design and high prices. For this reason, owning a Jacob & Co. timepiece was for many only a dream, until 2015, when Jacob & Co. introduced the Epic X collection, a versatile and easy-to-wear timepiece in a much more affordable price range. The spotlight of the Epic X line falls squarely on its open-work dial. But there's a twist here compared to the usual open-work timepieces, which, quite frankly, are just skeletonized versions of their regular models. With Epic X, the intention was crystal clear from the get-go. They were designed to be skeletonized, with the entire timepiece built around the open-work movement. The result is a meticulous work of art that Jacob & Co. is known for, right down to the chamfered bridges, mirror-polished screws, and impeccably buffed balanced jewels. And if this distinctive design isn't enough to grab your attention, let's turn your gaze to the 6 o'clock position. That's where the balance wheel sits, seemingly suspended in space, adding a touch of mesmerizing visual allure. The Epic X stays true to the iconic X-shaped case design that defines the Epic X collection. Keeping the 44mm Grade 5 titanium case with its micro-blasted and satin finish, what sets the Epic X apart is the introduction of neurolithe. This high-tech, specially crafted material for Jacob & Co. is a composite formed through high temperature fused with a synthetic adhesive, giving it remarkable long-lasting qualities. The skilled artisans in Geneva decided to incorporate neurolithe into the lugs of the Epic X, not only enhancing structural integrity but also injecting dynamic details. With a profile of 12.3mm, the Epic X houses a sapphire crystal on both the dial side and the case back. That way, you can admire the timepiece's inner workings on or off your wrist. Speaking of wrists, the size comparison shows that the 44mm case might be too big for a wrist under 18 cm, whereas the timepiece looks simply phenomenal on a 18.5 cm wrist. Eventually, it all comes down to how it feels on your wrist. For this matter, you are always welcome to visit one of our boutiques where you can try this beauty. At the heart of this piece is Jacob & Co.'s very own JCAM02 skeleton caliber, a movement that features those recognizable vertical bridges, a signature in this collection. This manually wound movement comprises 158 components and operates at the rate of 28,800 vibrations per hour with a 48-hour power reserve. And should you decide to strap it on during one of your water adventures, it will hold up robustly up to 50 meters. Staying in line with the sporty vibe, the Epic X comes fresh and fast with a corresponding openwork honeycomb rubber strap, complete with a pin buckle. There's no doubt, any Jacob & Co. timepiece deviates from the ordinary, and the Epic X exemplifies this distinctiveness. The beauty of this piece, however, is its versatility, poised to complement various occasions. Priced at 23,694 Swiss francs, this timepiece will for sure speak to a wider audience and be more accessible. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have the Jacob & Co. Epic X timepiece available for you. If you haven't already, visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a timepiece within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Does this timepiece's attention-grabbing, bare-bones, pun intended, design catch your eye? What impressed you the most about this timepiece? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this timepiece or any other timepiece from Jacob & Co. for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest timepiece reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.